Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to get dark mode on iPhone 6, 6s and latest model in iOS 14 and 15. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap General, tap About. As you guys can see my iPhone 6s. Then go back home screen. Open setting app. Scroll down, tap Accessibility. On the accessibility page, tap display and text size. Scroll down. Turn on smart invert. Everything is dark mode on. Check messages screen. Check mail. Check phone call. Dark mode is on. Thanks for watching this video.